Dollar Tree haul for you. So if you guys are interested in this little haul, just keep on watching. Guys, so first off, I picked up 2 of these vases here, and I just thought the shape was really pretty, and so I will be using this hopefully in an upcoming DIY. Also picked up this vase here. Again, this will be for DIY. I'm not going to be going in any order here. So I picked up these 2 bookmarks here, and I like the sayings on them. They say dream and be your own hero. Me and my daughter both love to read, so I picked 2 up. Now, one of the gemstone stickers, and so I really like these because they are just the clear gemstones. They're not iridescent or anything like that. I was only able to find 1. Hopefully I'll find some more. I did find 2 notebooks, and this one just says girl you got this, and then this one just says dream on there. You guys know I love my notebooks. This one is probably going to be for my daughter though, because she is a unicorn fanatic. I was so excited to find this. This is actually an edge brush. It says a brush and comb combination 2-in-1, and this is used, if you don't know, to slick down your edges. You know, are old school, you might have used a toothbrush or something like that to slick down your edges, but they have come up with a solution, and so I was really happy to find this. Look, I was able to find the unicorn wall stickers. I was so happy to find these. Guys, I have been looking for these for so long. So I have been looking for these probably about, I want to say like 4 months. I picked up 3 of these because I want to put like 1 unicorn on each side of her TV and then 1 over her bed. Found this dream big sign. This will be for my kitchen. You guys know I love the inspirational quotes, and so I try to incorporate them wherever I can. I found these multi-purpose bandanas, and I was introduced to these last year and fell in love with these. If you guys have not tried these yet, definitely give these a try. They are so great. A couple pens for the children. I got this little unicorn pen here, and listen to this, guys. Oh my goodness, is that not the cutest little thing ever? So I picked this up for my daughter. Like I said, she really loves unicorns, and because I couldn't leave my son out, I got him this little Mickey Mouse pen here. Picked up a couple of their rosary beads. Now the white ones I'm going to be using for DIYs, and so I'm thinking that these will look really nicely in some type of DIY because of this pretty beading here. So yeah, I picked 4 of those up, and then I picked up 1 pink one, and that's just going to be for a Mother's Day gift. Picked up 2 of these tea light holders here. These have been so hard to find for me lately. I'm so glad I found them today. I purchased 2 fish bowls, again for DIYs. Cute tote here. I just thought this one was cute with the little pineapple on there and the pink stripes. I picked up 2 of their bandanas. So my daughter does Girl Scouts, and sometimes we go camping, and so I thought it would be cute if we had matching bandanas, so that's why I picked up 2 packs. So yeah, guys, Dollar Tree had a ton of these baseball hats, so I picked 2 up for my son here, and I just got him the blue and then the black. And then my daughter, I got her the pink one here, and then I got her this one here. So cute. And then this one is just for myself. I just couldn't resist. It was only $1. From also for DIYs. Isn't this just the cutest tape dispenser? I could not leave this in the store. How cute is this? It's like a little donut. Yeah, I couldn't leave that in the store. It's too cute. Up a couple of personal items here. I got some soft soap, and this is for the kids. And then I picked up these bandages here. My son is forever cutting himself, scraping himself, doing something, so I have to have band-aids on hand. I also picked up this lady speed stick here for myself. Never tried this kind, but I am interested to see how it will work. I picked up these little keychain covers. Hi guys, I thought these were super cute. These are just little tea light holders, or actually these are oil warmers. If you can see right here, you put your oil up here and then you put your tea light at the bottom, and you can warm a scent in there. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna put these in my windowsill for summer because they have the little fishy detail, and this is my color that I accent with in my kitchen, so I'm going to use these there. Candles here, and these again are going to be for decorations. Typically I don't burn the Dollar Tree candles anymore just because I don't find that they give me the performance that I enjoy from candles. You guys know that I'm huge into candles, so yeah, I don't burn these ones anymore. I just use these for decoration. These are so cute. So this again is going to go in my window. Just look at these. How cute are these little mermaid tails? These are just the cutest little things to me. So yeah, I picked 3 of these up. If you guys have seen me haul from the Dollar Tree before, you guys know that I typically buy these products from there. I do use their laundry detergent when I am running low or out, so I picked up one of these for just in case. I also picked up some of these Lysol cleans. I think these work really good for about, yes, it's 2 weeks, so about 2 weeks on there. Week for me, I think, is about the longest I'll leave them on there. But yeah, and then I picked up the Mr. Clean. My son still has issues with writing on the walls at times. I have to remind him that he's not supposed to do that, but he still has not gotten it fully, so I have to keep these on hand. And also just the Brillo sponge here. So yeah, of these Kool-Aid sours. The kids have ripped into one, but I do have the watermelon one left, and so I thought this was a good buy at the Dollar Tree. I think they're typically $1 at Walmart also, but yeah, I never saw these sour ones before, so I picked these up. The last thing that I picked up are just these Chex Mix. My son and my daughter really love these, so when I can find them for $1, I definitely pick up a few of these. Okay guys, that's it. That's all that I have today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. If you have, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, as well as hitting the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.